The water is incredible. Look at that. And now there's so much sun coming. Wow. Beautiful. Julian.
What? Hello, we are in Gili Air and today we are doing a nice little beach day. We were walking by the beach after breakfast and we ran into these little cabanas here, which you don't really have to pay for them as long as you buy something to drink. The guy was like, you can buy one drink and you can have the cabana for the whole day. So we bought fruit, we bought a bunch of drinks, and we have these cool little cabanas right here, you see? Covered, rooftop. And the best part is we're right in front of the water. Look at that water though.
I love it. I love it. It's so pretty and relaxing. Except your child.
My child's not relaxing?
No.
My child's not relaxing. Julian, you're not relaxing.
He doesn't let you be relaxed. Richard rented a bicycle with a little seat for Julian.
Right?
Julian! Let's do it, let's try it.
Too high.
So what was your mission today, baby?
Well, I was supposed to go get a picture of the sunset, but there's like lightning and thunder and we're not getting the sunset. It's really hot and I brought Julian with me.
Because you have your nice bicycle.
I have this bicycle.
And then
but I got stuck in the sand. Julian, my co-pilot. My co-pilot is out. He failed me.
Hey, good morning. We are on a walk towards the island, looking for a good spot to lay and enjoy the actual beach. Let me show you a little bit of my view now. I have to say, guys, whatever you think about island, like what you imagine for an island to be like, this is it.
This is our third day here in Gili Air and we got another beautiful day, and right now we just settled in these little lounge chair areas over here. So we rented some snorkeling masks and snorkeling fins, and we're gonna go out right now into the water and see what we find. Maybe we'll run into some sea turtles. Julian, you like orange? Julian's loving this orange. It is so peaceful here. The fact that Julian can just run around, the fact that he can just play in the sand. Yeah, we love it. We absolutely love it. So right now we are just here enjoying the sunset a little bit. Then we're gonna go grab some dinner and then just relax on the beach for the next few days. These are the last beaches that we have from this trip.
Yeah, the island is so small that you can enjoy the sunset on one side of the island, and then for this
bike 10 minutes.
Yeah, and then for the sunrise you can be in the other side of the island in like matters of minutes. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so check this out. And that right there is a volcano.
And this little guy
is another volcano.
No, it's the love of our life.
Whoopee.
Good morning. We just had breakfast. We are getting ready to go to an excursion now. Today we are going to see turtles, and hopefully, unfortunately we weren't as lucky to find any turtles here in the island that we are right now. So yesterday Richard was able to book a boat for us to go to another island, which is also Gili, but a different island. So we're gonna go around and see some turtles and hopefully some baby turtles as well. So we're really excited. And here I have my buddy.
Are you excited to see the turtles? Julian's looking forward to seeing the turtles, so maybe he can pet them a little bit.
Julian's face is like,
So we got Ming here. And Kiki over there in the back, he's driving the boat. They're gonna be taking us to Gili Meno and to Gili Trawagan, where we're gonna see some turtles, we're gonna see some statues, and maybe Julian can play with the turtles a little bit, or pet the turtles. Right, puppy? We'll find out, but we're on our way there now.
To our first stop. Look at this water.
Yes, Gili Meno. Gili Meno.
And that's Gili Meno.
Yeah.
The water is incredible. Look at that. And now there's so much sun coming. Wow. Beautiful.
Alright guys, we're going into the water right now. We are in Gili Meno and hopefully we're gonna see some turtles. Mommy? Over there.
He wants me to put my hand in the water so I can touch the water because he doesn't reach. But I don't reach neither, mi amor. Ay, 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 ay. Mira el agua, qué lindo.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Today is our last day here in Gili Air. This is our last breakfast that we're having right now at the Sunrise Resort. We're leaving. We're going back to Bali for a few days before going back to Thailand for a few days before going home. I think was this the highlight of your trip? One of the highlights.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I can say so. We had many highlights in this trip, but we had an amazing time in every single place we stayed at. But it definitely, we felt here this is what we were looking for as a vacation. I think, like relaxing, beach. You know, Julian was able to play freely. People here were so nice, even with Julian too. So, you know, we had to stay a little bit longer. Yeah. But now we're sad, we're leaving.
Yeah, but we will definitely be coming back to Gili Air. And the reason we chose Gili Air is because Gili Air is supposed to be like a combination of Gili Trawangan and Gili Meno, where Gili Trawangan is like the more party scene, Gili Meno is like the complete quietness, and Gili Air is like a little bit of both. It has like restaurants, it has some nightlife, it has, you know, beach, it has some activity going on, and a lot of relaxation as well. So, but we're leaving, and if you're planning on coming to Indonesia, you must come to Gili Air. It is definitely beautiful. So we're gonna close out our video right now, and we're gonna continue having breakfast, and Julian's gonna continue stuffing his face with cereal
and bread.
And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. ¿Quieres una banana? Aquí está, mira. Mira. Aquí está la banana. Cógelo. Banana. Qué rico. El cabellito. He likes dipping the banana in the Cheerios, in the cereal. Yeah. Está rica.
aplaude, Richard. Yay!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.